Have you ever wanted to design beautiful WordPress pages without spending hours arranging every single block? Well, that's exactly where block patterns come in. And today, I'll show you how to use them on WordPress.com in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. When you're editing a page or a post, look for the plus block inserter icon, usually found at the top left or on the left side of your editor. Once you click it, you'll see two main tabs, blocks and patterns. Go ahead and select patterns. Here, you'll find a wide variety of pre-designed layouts, everything from headers and image galleries to call to action sections, testimonials, and more. These patterns are professionally designed so you can mix and match them to create a polished, cohesive look for your site, even if you're not a designer. To use one, simply click on a pattern to add it to your page or drag it directly where you want it to appear. Once it's in place, you can customize every part of it just like any other block. Change text, swap images, adjust colors, or tweak spacing. All the customization options appear conveniently in the right-hand sidebars when you select the block. This makes block patterns an incredibly fast way to build beautiful layouts, maintain a consistent design, and speed up your content creation workflow, whether you're building a blog, a portfolio, or a business site. So, next time you're editing a page on WordPress.com, explore the Patterns tab and start experimenting. You'll be amazed at how quickly your pages come to life. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, make sure to check out more WordPress tips to take your site to the next level.